The course is on Microsoft Power BI, hosted and taught by Jeff Lipkowitz. I'm a data scientist, specifically focused on Microsoft Azure. I have a lot of experience. I've been doing this for a long time, over 10 years, in analytics in different capacities. One, within IoT, business intelligence, and machine learning. All three areas are related and they're all very different. Microsoft Power BI falls within sort of the middle spectrum, right? Business intelligence. So a lot of what we're going to be talking about is how to not just use Microsoft Power BI as a tool, but how to actually take the data and extract value out of it, and how to incorporate that within your business, right? Business intelligence as a tool is not useful unless it's something that is usable and the business can interpret and you can build into your business processes to get value out of it. I have experience doing this both in large corporations as well as startups. The needs are similar, but how you get there is different, right? If you're a larger corporation or a smaller startup. And I've attended both Purdue as well as University of Chicago. This course, we have a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about Azure from a overview perspective. So I wanted to make sure everyone coming in understands the benefits of Azure and how Microsoft Power BI links into the stack and what other things that are happening within the Azure world that's very exciting from an analytics perspective. I'm going to talk about Power BI, how to sign up, how to refresh the data, how to transform the data, how to use desktop modeling, how to do visualization. I'm going to talk through the history. So I'm not going to just talk about it from the tool. I'm going to talk about how we've gotten to where we are today. I'm going to talk about real world digital data analytics, best practices within visualization, Power BI service packs, direct connectivity, APIs, and Power BI for mobile. So we have a lot to talk about, and it's going to be a very exciting course.